Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to take another look at our amazing, incredible indicator, and that's none other than our uGenesys volume indicator, okay? And we know that this indicator is great at letting us know whenever we have sufficient volume in the market to take our trades, alright? So let me give you a quick breakdown of what we'll be doing. So first we're going to add our indicator to our GBP JPY chart. And then we're going to take a look at the 4-hour time frame, okay? Because we found this to be the best time frame to use with this indicator. And we're going to take a look at some profits that we could have possibly made with this indicator here, alright? So let's first add our indicator to our chart. So let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and we go down here to our uGenesys volume indicator and hit OK, alright? Okay guys, so we can see we have a downtrend right here. We can see our bars are red, okay, and they're above the golden line, and that indicates that we definitely have enough volume to take up some trades. Alright, so what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to mark the beginning and end of this particular downtrend. I'm just going to use the lines right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place a line on the outside here. I'm going to put it right at the last bar of the previous trend, and I'm going to put another line right here at the first bar of the next trend after this downtrend. Alright, just so we have better visibility when taking our measurements here. Alright, so now I'm just going to get our crosshairs tool, and we're going to start from this candle here at the beginning of our downtrend and go down here to this candle at the end of the downtrend. Okay, wow, and we can see that's a movement of 407.5 pips in this case. Alright guys, and right over here we can see we have an uptrend, okay, because we see the bars are green and we see that they are also above the golden line, so we know we can take up trades because we have enough volume in this case. Alright, so let's also put some lines at the beginning and end of this trend. Alright, there we go. And so now let's just take a measurement of the pips here. Alright, so we see that's a movement of 380.8 pips in this case, okay guys? And right over here we see another downtrend, okay, and see we have a lot of volume here because it's even going up above our orange line. Alright, so let's go ahead and also take a measurement here. We're gonna put the lines at the beginning and end. And let's just use our crosshairs tool now. Okay, so we see that's a movement of 415.1 pips. Alright guys, and remember to get this indicator, you can click on the link in the description, okay? Okay, right here we can see another uptrend, alright? And we can see that the bars here over this section, they're above the golden line, but over here we can see that there are 3 bars that are below the golden line here, alright? So I'm just going to put the line here for the beginning of this trend right at this bar at the end here that is below the line, alright? And also I'm going to mark here right at the beginning of the downtrend that follows this one. Alright, and let's just use our crosshairs now to measure our pips here. Alright guys, so we can see that's a movement of 673.4 pips. Alright, that's pretty awesome here. Okay, so here we see we have another downtrend with our red bars here, and we see they are above the golden line, so we know we have enough volume. So let's just mark the beginning and end of this trend here with our lines. And let's go ahead now and just measure the pips going down here. Okay, so we can see with this particular trend we have a movement of 449.5 pips. Alright guys? Okay guys, and if you look at this section right here, you can see that we have some bars that are below the golden line here, and also over here you can see that. Okay, so those are the sections that we definitely want to avoid because that's when we don't have enough volume in the market to take up trading positions. Okay, but if you look right here, you can see we have this awesome uptrend right here with our green bars, and they're above the golden line here. Okay, so let's just put the lines here to mark the beginning and end of this trend. Alright, let's just measure the pips here. Okay, wow. So this is a movement of 646 pips in this case. Okay, guys? Alright guys, so you can see just how amazing this indicator is and the awesome profits that you can make using this indicator here, okay? And usually we would advise our user to set a target amount that they want from the market and exit when they get that amount, alright? And a good target amount is anything from 70 to 150 pips. As you can see from our previous examples here with our 4-hour chart, that you can make a lot more profits than that, okay? So we really hope you can take this indicator and get some very, very profitable trades for yourself, alright? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator here, okay guys? So thanks again for watching our channel. Please remember to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.